got a brand new car. I mean, not brand new for me. The turbo's not gonna do it.
Dude, that's gonna give you like extra 50 horses at least. So how do you like new purchase?
It's a pretty cool car.
Right.
If it's gonna run.
New car donut.
Thank you.
So what's happening, Chaco?
I guess I just got a brand new car. I mean, not brand new for me. It's kind of old, but
Yeah, you're buying budget corporate for PONTIAC.
Pretty fun looking car. So.
Yep. Let me show you what it is. We got Saturn. What's that? Sky?
Saturn Sky.
Saturn Sky.
Redline. 4-banger turbo manual.
And it's a convertible. Yeah, we'll show you in a little bit.
Here it is.
Let's check out this new car.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so this is it. Red Saturn Sky.
You have to ask screws. You're gonna miss it.
I am gonna miss it. It's always been well taken care of, so
It looks like it, so you know.
enjoy it.
Thank you.
I hope to see you on the road sometime. I got something with you.
All right.
Have a good one.
Awesome.
Enjoy it.
Nice to meet you.
Can't wait to see it fixed up.
What? Extra. Dude, they got 3 cup holders in this one.
Perfect. Okay.
And you got 1 more cup holder in here.
And
That's a pretty quirky
Oh yeah.
cup
Quirky.
holder.
Oh no door.
No door pockets?
No door.
All right, so the guy's gonna take this one. I'm gonna follow them. Dobra, guys, let's go. Yeah, I gotta say the Saturn looks pretty cool. You don't see many of them in the streets. It's a convertible, stick shift. It's a little fun car on a budget. But we'll tell you more about it in our next video. Saturn is not going. It's supposed to be a quick car. What the hell happened? What happened, Misako? Why so slow?
The turbo's not gonna do it. 4 psi.
Why?
I don't know. It's a 3 psi max.
So it's no go?
I mean, it looks nice,
That's all that matters.
but
I thought it's gonna be even with my G8.
we need to do. Well, it would be with the fucking turbo.
Yeah.
We need to do an LS swap.
Yep, LS swap and
Project car.
twin turbo LS swap.
Project car.
Hell yeah.
Fuck. Fucking hell.
Yep, that's what you get for 6Gs.
God damn it.
Okay, so got the computer.
Yeah, it's already check engine.
Like 5 minutes later.
Yep.
That's a good buy. Yeah, it looks like the turbo is not kicking in.
So it kicks in for when you first started, when it's like cold or something, and then there's 2. So I have 2 codes. And then when you keep on driving, it's only goes up to like 3 psi, and that's pretty much it.
Yeah,
so
no.
that's like shit.
The turbo is supposed to be around 20 psi, so
Maybe 15 or whatever, but not 3.
yeah, 3 is really low. All right, so let's do a little diagnostics on a brand new car.
Fucking hell.
Oh, it's a little warm in here. Yep. It looks like the turbo is here.
Oh, it shows that excessively low turbo output, which I already know because it doesn't fucking run. I mean, it runs like a 2-banger.
All right, so we found the first problem. It looks like this thing, this piece right here. That's the air intake, and it's one hose coming out of the engine, and it's
loose.
And it's looks like it's broken off. Somebody tried to glue it in before, but it's not the proper way to do it. I don't think it's high pressure over here, but it's here for a reason. So we have to start here, right?
We fortunately got the air,
Yes.
cold air intake for
Yep.
it.
Carbon fiber.
Came with it.
K&N.
I
Yeah.
don't know why it's not mounted on it. It's so
Maybe it
suspicious.
was created too much power, too much boost.
And then you can probably put
Yeah, it
this
looks
on
like this hose that is broken
gonna-
off is gonna just slide in here. Misha, you had a car for like what, half an hour, an hour, and it seems like we have our first project,
Express service.
right?
Yep, it's been a pretty good journey so far. Oh, issue.
Yep. Really nice car. Dude, this car was in the Transformers?
Yeah? Nah, probably.
I think so. All right, so we got the first piece. Yep, looks broken off. But dude, it's so clean. Look at this.
I know.
It's like brand newish. Look
So,
All right. Just like we said, 5-minute job.
fucking hell.
Dude, that's gonna give you like extra
I know.
50 horses at least.
Ale taki mała korweta.
It's gonna fit?
Ja to nazywam.
Oh shit. What? It fits?
Perfect. Like a glove.
So it's pretty easy to fix. I'm not sure if this thing over here, the plug, should be just pressed in. Let's see. I mean, it sits. It's pretty tight. Sorry, all fixed up?
No, I guess so.
All right, so we got the intake. Okay, so we got Mr. Electrician over here for the codes.
Hacker.
Yeah. We have to clear out a few codes, and let's hope that our repair is gonna work.
Let's do it, guys.
All right, let's go.
Na ciebie.
All right, check it out. The boost is working. All right, it's like a second test drive with Mishak. Let's see if it's going or not.
Proud over.
Good, pretty easy fix. Yeah, is it? Okay. No. Sounds pretty good. So, how do you like your purchase?
Well, first of all, I feel like shit. But that's not in use. I mean, it's a pretty cool car.
Awesome, right?
If it's gonna run, you know, because dialed it in a little bit.
Yep.
Or LS swap, what do you think?
Yeah, LS swap with the twin turbo.
Oh yeah.
But the convertible, that's the best part.
I mean, right now it's a little hot.
Shit.
So.
It's your first convertible?
Yeah, I've never.
Awesome, man. AC is working. What's the year of this car?
Oh wait.
That's 2008. Okay, hit it. Second gear. Boost it up, boost it up. I think it calls for a little donut. new car donut.
Traction out.
Oh shit.
Bunch of people still. Fuck.
Whoops. Dude, but it's going.
No, that was so easy.
That was pretty good donut. Dude, that's gonna be a fucking drift machine. See, that's why I love fucking stick shift.
Oh yeah.
You don't need too much power to have fun. So it's building the booster
Now
now.
it is.
So it's all fixed.
For now.
Yeah, check this out. Look, this glove compartment. It's pretty much for like 2 gloves, but it's there. You got one cup holder here. It's kind of stuck. And you got 2 more over here. Not too bad, huh? And extra storage over here. Look at this. Oh. Congrats.
Oh, thank you.
So in next video we're gonna show you some. Oh yeah, we're gonna show you a little more information about this car.
Quirks and quirks.
Quirks and quirks. Oh, look at this, dude. Look at those vents.
They're fake. Fake vents.
Fake it.
I don't like fake.
All right, guys.
put the roof up.
See you next video.
Check it out. Open this. Pops.
Yeah, you pop the trunk.
Pop this. Oh, kurwa.
All right.
There's like 3
You have to put it somewhere. You need to grab a beer. You open the hood. Then you pop the roof.
Hold on, this have to be like.
Yeah,
right?
you pop the roof a little bit. This thing's kind of broken, so you have to lift it up.
Yep, like that.
Yeah. No. Squeeze this one out.
Okay.
All right.
O, tak jest. No.
Fiacik i zaczep, nie?
Oh, don't scratch it. There you go.
Then this goes down.
Yep. This thing goes down. Yep. And you're good to go.
Oh.
Dude, it doesn't look that bad with the roof.
Easy, dude.
Yeah?
A lot of room, dude.
A lot of room.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Not too bad.
All right, so now you want to open again?
No, I want to go home.